Another very useful test that might come in handy is a line versus oriented rectangle test. So usually what people do is they test the line against axis aligned bounding box. But what if we want this box to be rotated like here? As you can see, it tests correctly. Well, there is a very simple formula for that. First, what we do is we take the oriented rectangle and we transform it back into its local position, so into its local coordinate space. That means that we rotate it back to its standard rotation, and we create the position of that rectangle. We set it to 0, 0, so it's back in its local origin. Then what we do, we just test this rectangle with the normal rectangle that we just created from the oriented rectangle. So it's pretty easy test. You can take these two formulas from the video and implement them. Basically, let's see how it converts back to the local origin. So we do a reverse rotation, as you can see, minus degrees to radius. Then this is Godot's 2x2 matrix. If you are using your own engine or unit, you can simply adapt this or just check online for matrix, for rotational matrix for 2D objects. Then, before rotating the line, our line that we are testing, we will set it back to the origin. Then we will rotate it. Then we will set it back to where it was before setting it back to origin. So it makes sense, right? So before rotation, we translate it back to origin, then rotate, then translate back. And so basically that's it. You can just copy and paste these two formulas. If you are interested why this works, just type in the comments below and I will explain. Thanks for watching.